Hi, Robert Curry, Innovative Air Solutions. Thanks again for watching our series on duct and system design. We're continuing on our heat load series right now. We're going to actually look at a heat load calculation. Last video we looked at design conditions and how important it is to design for your area, your specific area that you live in. One of the things that we want to ensure that we design for is in our last example of our last video. We want to be sure our weather data is accurate. You need to design for your area and the weather conditions in your given area. They change frequently throughout the country. As an example, someone in Minnesota will design much differently than someone in South Florida, simply because of weather conditions and different seasons and things of that nature. So it's important for you to get as good of information as you possibly can. And you need to be as accurate as possible when you're looking at these heat loads in order to determine what size air conditioning system we need, how much air needs to go in each room to heat it or cool it properly at design conditions. This is another example of a heat load that we have that we're working on. This is a house we're working on right now. This specifically will give us information as far as how much air needs to go in a given room. We're actually able to draw a duct system out. My program, when used properly, we have all of our information in here, which we don't in this example. Will actually be able to give us duct sizes. I excluded that from this drawing simply because it gets confusing and it's too much information on a page to be able to readily look at it. But for each outlet, we'll have a room name, and you will see a number, and you'll see the letters CFM. CFM stands for cubic feet of air. So if we put our hands up on a grill, we can feel air blowing. The air blowing is a volume of air. It's a cubic foot of air per minute, and that's how it's measured. So these are the things we want to try and ensure that are happening in a home is actually what is being produced in here. With a properly completed heat load and a good report given to a customer, we can actually walk back out in a home and tell them where their hot and cold spots are, and we don't need any input from them. They don't need to tell us that this bedroom is hot, this bedroom is cold. We should simply be able to look at our heat loads and tell them what's going on in their home. If this is done right and done in a proper fashion, the homeowners will just fall over trying to get you to get in there and do the work for them. This is a very successful heat load that we've done over the years, and we have just been showered with good reviews and things like that from our customers because we go in and we try and do it the right way the first time. But again, remember, your data is very important. You need to be part building contractor, an investigator in this job, along with a plumber, electrician, and also air conditioning technician. So we really encompass anything inside a building envelope. We need to be able to be good investigators to try and figure out what's going on, what our symptoms are, and what's causing our symptoms. It's not always enough just to know what's wrong. We need to know the root cause of what's happening in a home. Hope this has been helpful. Thank you very much and have a great day.